Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'm going to try to make a mosaic out of Mario. I'm really excited to do this one, and I hope you guys are too. Like Mario would say, let's go! Roll the intro. Okay, this was it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to purchase some puzzles, not these ones because I bought these at a regular store, but if you want to purchase any other puzzle, you can buy them at Cubes UK, where I have a discount code BelgianSC5. It gives you 5% off your orders. And it helps me out a lot. It helps me buy puzzles, review puzzles, make cube pattern tutorials, and so on. So thank you guys for the support. Belgian Speedcuber out. Let's go!